Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to tackle the P0455 error code and discuss the role of the charcoal canister in your vehicle's emission system. We'll also provide some tips on replacing the canister. We'll be working on a 2005 Malibu, but this information is applicable to most 6th generation Malibu models from 2003 to 2008. The P0455 code indicates a significant leak in your vehicle's evaporative emission system. This system is designed to capture fuel vapors and route them back to the engine for combustion. A faulty charcoal canister can cause this leak. Common symptoms of a bad charcoal canister include fuel odor, frequent gas pump nozzle shutoff, decreased fuel economy, illuminated check engine light, failed emissions test. To replace the canister, you'll typically need to access it from underneath the vehicle. Be sure to use proper jack stands and safety procedures. Once the area is clear, locate the bracket protecting the canister. Find the fuel tank and trace it to the side where the canister is located. You will see 2 screws on the side of the car and 2 more screws between the tank and the canister. You will need an extension to reach these screws. Before replacing the canister, check for cracks caused by road debris. Ensure the hoses are securely seated and verify that the connectors are not loose. If they are loose, reconnect them. Disconnect the fuel and vapor lines, taking care not to damage the connectors. Disconnecting the connectors. The fuel and vapor lines typically have press-to-release connectors. To disconnect them, 1. Locate the release tab. This is usually a small tab on the side of the connector. 2. Press the tab. While pressing the tab, gently pull the connector apart. If you encounter stubborn connectors, here's a tip. Use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the connector apart. Be careful not to damage the connector or the wiring. Before installing the new canister, inspect the hoses and connectors for any signs of wear or damage. By following these steps, you can effectively address the P0455 error code and restore your vehicle's emission system. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.